What if tomorrow's breakfast was already waiting for you? These make-ahead egg muffins take less than 30 minutes to prepare, stay fresh for days, and give you a protein-packed breakfast with low carb you can grab on your way out the door. Here's exactly how to make them. For this recipe, you'll need 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, half a cup of chopped spinach, 1/4 cup diced red bell pepper, 1/4 cup diced red onion, 1/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese, salt and pepper, nonstick cooking spray, or a little olive oil. Want even more flavor? Add cooked turkey bacon, mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, fresh herbs, or a pinch of chili flakes. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease a 12-cup muffin tin. Finely chop the spinach, bell pepper, and onion. If the vegetables are wet, pat them dry so the muffins stay fluffy. In a large bowl, whisk the eggs with the milk until smooth. Season with salt and pepper, then stir in the vegetables and shredded cheddar cheese. Pour the mixture into the muffin cups, filling each about 3/4 full. This leaves room for the eggs to rise while baking. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes until the centers are set and the tops are lightly golden. Let the muffins cool for about 5 minutes before removing them from the pan. Serve them warm or store them in the refrigerator for an easy breakfast all week. Just reheat, grab, and go. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more simple homemade recipes and let us know in the comments what ingredients you'd add to your egg muffins.